age-appropriate transition assessments. This information will aid you in ensuring that your students have the correct assessments. What is a transition assessment? A transition assessment is an ongoing process of collecting data on a student's strengths, needs, preferences, and interests. When you gather transition assessment information, you can gather it from the following areas. You can obtain student information, which can be done at any age. Parental information, which usually focuses on the student's strengths and needs. And school information, which focuses on present levels of academic achievement and functional performance. There are 3 levels of transition assessments: Vocational 1, Vocational 2, and Vocational 3 assessments. As you can look below, you can see which ones fall in each category. Please note that our individual graduation portfolio, IGP, contains Vocational 1 and Vocational 2 assessments. In addition to the IGP, we are supplying a TSI Brigance assessment kit to our schools. Please use at least one TSI Brigance assessment as a part of your age-appropriate assessment documentation. In the event that you need a Vocational 3 assessment, please contact your special education coordinator or the transition office. If you look below, you can see an acceptable and unacceptable example of transition assessments. How should one document the assessment results? All assessment results should be faxed into SEDS, using the appropriate fax cover sheet as generated in the system. Be sure to indicate the date the assessment was administered. Also include the name of the assessment. Please note there is a new student input form that requires student and teacher collaboration. Please be sure to complete this as a part of the student interview. This form is designed to guide discussions around transition and should be faxed into SEDS after it's filled out. As you can look below, this is an example of an age-appropriate transition assessment. As you can see, the area is indicated, along with the assessment tool, the data was administered, and the results themselves. If by chance the results do not populate in this screen on the right-hand side, you will upload the results, along with the assessment, faxed into SEDS. Here are some questions to ask when dealing with age-appropriate transition assessments in the transition plan. Were age-appropriate transition assessments used? Is the date of the assessment documented in the transition plan? Are the assessment results documented in the transition plan, that is, being faxed into SEDS? Here are some things to remember. Always have an assessment uploaded into SEDS. Assessments serve as evidence supporting why a goal is written. No assessments mean no evidence.